Hi everyone, it's Nelda. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking this video. Happy Monday. I hope that you're all doing well. I am here to share with you birthday card number 10. And this package came from Nova Scotia from a lovely and talented crafter, Johanne of Crafty Sensei. And she sent me all this yummy, beautiful stuff. I am very excited. I've seen her creations when I watch her project shares, and oh my goodness, she's so creative. So I am so happy to have some pieces of her work. So let me start by sharing this beautiful birthday card, and it says best day ever, but look at the design. And I believe these are Nuvo drops. Maybe I'm wrong, maybe I'm right. But I love this beautiful color, so nice. I love the matting. It's just a gorgeous card. And look at the sticker, handmade with love. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. And she has a letter, and so I will read the message on this card. It says, "This warm and friendly greeting is dropping by to say that you are fondly thought about and wished a happy day. Happy birthday, crafty hugs, Johanne, the Crafty Sensei." Beautiful message. Thank you, Johanne. And then this letter, I am not going to read anymore here, but it is saying that she is wishing me well and that she's thanking me for hosting this birthday giveaway. You are welcome, Johanne. Thank you for joining. I am so happy that you sent me all these goodies too. I am a fan of your lovely channel, although I don't always make comments because I always watch on the big screen and I craft along. But I love your work. You make beautiful embellishments. And look at this, friends. I've seen her video where she shared the embellishments that she made. And these are three-dimensional, I believe. And look at the sentiments. Beautiful. Very positive. The color is just very nice. And she took the time to add this very pretty sequence. I love this. Very, very nice. And I love the dimension. Thank you so much. This is a great inspiration, really. And then she also sent me this beautiful memory decks, but she packaged it very nicely. And look at this. I love this seam binding. Do you dye your seam binding also, Johanne? It's beautiful color. And she used a very beautiful paper also. Look at that. And this is a shaker, and I love the sequence. They have hearts here and all these beautiful shiny things. So nice. And I love the lace too. The design is pretty, and look, she also had this handmade with love sticker, which I love. This is the memory decks, and I am very happy because I can add this to my file, and it says creativity takes courage, and it is just beautifully decorated. I love the heart, the dimension, the lace, the Nuvo drops. Everything here is beautiful. And then she has all the information on the back. So this is great. Very lovely. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it, Johanne. The color that you use here is very calming. It's just so beautiful. Your work is just gorgeous. Truly inspiring. And thank you so much for this positive, beautiful sentiments. I really, really love them. Friends, if you are not subscribed to Crafty Sensei, please check her out. She makes beautiful, really inspiring projects. She's very talented and very creative and very generous. Her channel is big, but she, of course, still needs subscribers. So I hope that you can join her YouTube family. But I know that if you are subscribed to my channel, for sure you are subscribed to hers because she is famous in this crafty community, but maybe your friends are not. So share Johanne's or Crafty Sensei's channel with your friends, and that will be awesome. So there you go, everyone. This is the yummy, the beautiful, the inspiring entry of Johanne of Crafty Sensei to my birthday challenge giveaway, and I am very thankful, Johanne, I bless you with these wishes of good health, happiness, joy, peace, and abundance. And I bless you with wishes of success, strength, and wisdom. And everybody, I wish you the same blessings. And I thank you all for staying with me and for supporting my channel. And if you are new, please consider joining my YouTube family. Hit that subscribe button. Thanks again so much for watching. Take care, everyone. Sharing with you these positive sentiments from Johanne of Crafty Sensei. Creativity takes courage. Practice kindness. Be you bravely. God bless you. Have a wonderful day. Bye now. Till next time.